Massive passport services rollout for Zimbabweans in South Africa. The 13th of August 2025, the Zimbabwe Embassy in South Africa has launched a major passport and civil documentation outreach program for Zimbabweans living in the neighboring country. Starting with Mpumalanga province, the mobile consular services will run from 26 to the 31st of August in selected locations, beginning in eMalaleni before moving to Mbamela. In a public notice, Zimbabwe's Consul General to Johannesburg, Mr. Iriafiri, said the initiative was in response to the high demand for passports and other civil documents among Zimbabweans in South Africa. The consulate wishes to inform Zimbabwean nationals resident in Mpumalanga province of a mobile consular visit to eMalaleni and Mbamela from August 26th to August 31st, said Mr. Firi. The first leg of the program will be held at Gateway Church, Elizabeth Avenue, eMalaleni CBD, from 26th to the 28th of August. The second leg will take place at Owersig Community Hall in the Vintonia area of Mbamela on 30 and the 31st of August. Services will run daily from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m., offering birth registration, R100, passport form processing, R300, temporary travel document, TTD, R500, non-marriage applications, R250, verification of Zimbabwean public documents, R200, Section 5, R150. Mr. Firi stressed that the process will follow the old passport application system, with forms submitted in Zimbabwe and passports collected after production there. He also warned citizens to be wary of fraudsters claiming to represent the embassy or consulates. "We do not have agents who act on our behalf," he emphasized. Zim Community SA spokesperson Mr. Bangani Mazwi Mkwananzi welcomed the program, saying it would benefit many Zimbabweans unable to travel to consulates in Johannesburg or Cape Town, or return home to update their documents. "We encourage Zimbabweans to fully utilize these outreach programs to fix their documentation. However, we urge the consulate to work closely with community organizations to ensure the message reaches as many people as possible," he said.